Dave, it seems these days in project applications, there's always that one or two devices that are a challenge to get wired up. Whether it be that there's no way to get a new cable out to those devices, or the distance is too great, or we're swapping an old analog type device with a newer IP type device. And this could be anything from a camera to an intercom in most applications, or any other device, any IoT device that it plugs in, even including small switches or small hubs where you maybe collect a couple of different inputs that would be part of the network. You have at AMG a couple of products to solve this problem.
So we have our Extend-Net series of Ethernet extenders. So we can do it on a single twisted pair, Coax, or full UTP, a Cat6 cable. So we can extend, Ethernet specs are 328 feet. So if you have to go beyond that, with Ethernet, it's troublesome, right? You can't get the signal to where you want it. So we have devices that can bring that out thousands of feet.
Okay.
And push PoE, which is also helpful.
There are a couple of different options for this thing. Can you talk to each one of those options?
Certainly. So we have a single twisted pair. So there's a lot of phone cable or just twisted pair in the ground that people want to reuse that. So
in the ceiling?
In the ceiling, in the ground, anywhere, right? So you want to just get something connected out there without, spending thousands of dollars running cables. So we have, our single UTP, and then we have a coax unit that can push 30 watts of PoE about 1,000 feet. So if you had an analog camera, say, out there, you put two of these, they work in pairs, and in a PoE source, you can power the local and remote device and the camera through that PoE.
So all from the switch or PoE injector back at the head end, so
right.
You're not having to look for power out at the other end.
Absolutely, yeah. So it saves you, time and money and, cabling costs and all that stuff. And then the other solution we have is on Cat6. So we can push 90 watts of PoE. So the BT standard, that's new. And you've got a lot of power-hungry cameras. We have a lot of applications where somebody has a camera out on a pole. They've got a Cat6 cable out there, and they want to power it up. You get our UTP unit, put it out on either side. You got a PoE switch on the head end, and you can power up a camera, get 70 watts out to that camera at 1,000 feet.
And that's a good choice for something. Again, most of the modern PTZ cameras aren't 90 watts, but a lot of options nowadays have IR illumination, and that will push it over the ability of a basic option. So that's where you need that higher output.
Absolutely. So we've got the products to do it. And then, at the rack, we have a head-end solution where we can fit 12 units in. They're individually put in there. So if you've got a lot of stuff coming back to a head end, we make a nice 1U high rack mount unit that will hold 12 units.
And you can do the same thing, DIN rail mount, if you just got one or two of these type devices.
Absolutely. It comes with a DIN rail on the back. We can magnet mount these things, wall mount them. It comes with everything in the box. Clean
and simple, all metal, nice and hardened. Right. Using these to solve problems is a great solution to overcome challenges. Some customers want to take advantage of existing wiring, and that's another great thing. They don't want to have to pull a whole new set of wire out to everything. These are a great option for that. And again, like you said, if it's a bunch of these devices, you can put them in that rack mount back at the head end, which makes it very neat and simple to manage.
And you brought up a good point about the temperature. I mean, most of these are, one is outside, one is inside, or they're up in a ceiling, or they're in some closet where it actually gets hot, pretty warm in there. And, a lot of the competitors' devices don't meet the temperature specs that we do. So, again, we're rated from minus 40 to 75 degrees C. So
even in those applications out along a rail, out along a roadway where there's no boxes or cabinets that are heated, or maybe they're just exposed to the sun, so on and so forth, and again, rated for those type applications.
Perfectly simple. We try to make it easy for you, and it's a great device, especially with the higher power cameras out there. We see a lot of applications for it. So,
well, thanks. I appreciate your time.
Absolutely.